Woo!
That's how you drive right there, Campo.
Man, that is a truck that wants to be driven, man.
Incredible. Let's review.
Let's do it. All right, welcome back, guys. Again, Nsheppard, David Campo. We're here at Wild Willies and Akins Ford, and we've got yet again another lowered F-150 Thunder Lightning Tribute Edition. What we're going to do in this video, we're going to go over wheel and tire and suspension combo, and then Neil's going to go over with the paint and bodywork and some behind the scenes footage that you guys normally don't get to see. Let's go. All right, so jumping right into it. On this one, just similar to our first Lightning Tribute Edition that we had, we've got the Velgen Racing 22-inch wheels. We also then wrapped these, particularly a different tire, is a Nitto 420. This tire is the 305/45 22. This particular truck here, what we wanted is we wanted to go all for performance on this truck. We wanted to keep it low, but also keep it super aggressive in performance. So on this suspension setup, we threw in the extra add leaf to stiffen up the suspension, but we also threw in our own spice of throwing in a block and different U-bolt setup to drop it a bit lower to make it handle even better. And believe me when I say this truck just loves to be driven and handles so phenomenal. Also, so what we're gonna mention too, that on this setup, this is a staggered wheel setup on here. We've got 11-inch wide in the back and a 10-inch wide in the front. We kept the same tire all around just so that way we can keep a little bit of that stretch look to it, because it is a wire tire and we wanted it to fit inside the wheel well of the back. So you can kind of see that the front has a little bit less aggression to it, and you saw that the rear has some more aggression so that it gets to stick out more. All right, so we're gonna jump into the front suspension a little bit on this one. Just like all of our other VAS 3.5 lowering kits, the front is fitted out with a Viking 32-way adjustable coilover unit. Now on this particular model, I went ahead and since I got the privilege to build this one, I went in and spiced the tuning up on this one. This one has a bit more of like auto track, auto cross, handling setup on it, but it complements this truck so well, y'all. This truck just handles so good. All right, now let's pop the hood on this one. So this one is XLT, baby, 5.0 Coyote motor. We were super stoked on this one. Guys, we had plans to supercharge this one. We were so excited, but as Catch-22, we think the truck's already gonna sell before we get the chance to put the supercharge on it. Now, that's a good thing and a bad thing, but it's mostly a good thing, but we promise we've got a supercharged one coming, y'all. All right, with that being said, but what we did do to spice the performance up a little bit is we went and threw on the MagnaFlow side exit exhaust. Guys, this exhaust sounds phenomenal. It is perfect. The last one that we did, it sounded good, but this was exactly in my mind what I had as a performance truck needs to sound like. It's not too aggressive inside the truck, but it has such a good tone, man. This thing sounds like a GT500 touring car coming down, especially when it's perfect up in the rev range. Like, it sounds great. So we had to throw that on there for this truck. We knew that like the red, the performance package with this one, we just knew it was going to tie in so well. So we hope you guys like it too and get to listen to these sound clips. All right, guys, so finishing off with the rear, we went ahead and threw on the Revolver Backflip X4 cover on it. We also went ahead and threw in our signature bed liner spray into this truck. Helps, you know, put a little bit of weight in the back end. Also helps tone down some of the noises and vibrations, as well as protecting your bed in here. But now Neil's gonna jump into it with y'all. He's gonna go over all the paint work, the aesthetics, and also cover the interior with y'all and show you guys the further amount of stuff that we did on this truck.
So first of all, y'all, Campo, my man Campo can drive. If you couldn't tell, Campo can drive. We got a lot of fun with this truck. This truck is incredible as far as a performance standpoint, but the looks. You know I love race red. This truck's all me, y'all. This is all real deal. Up front, the red's got me tore up, Campo. I can't take it. I cannot take it. got me tore up. So obviously up front, y'all, we did a limited grill. We wanted to keep that retro theme with the horizontal billet grill slats, and we knew this grill was gonna be perfect for that. So we did a limited grill, did paint match, race red all the way around, actually did silver on this middle bar that's typically chrome. Then this is usually silver, did that gloss black, blacked out the whole emblem with silver accents around. The silver really complements our wheel finish very nicely. We wanted to not overdo any color, so we got a nice balance of silver, black, and red. Unbelievable, y'all. Got me fired up. Now our lower skid pad area, we glossed this, removed texture, even on the lower skid valence here too. Just wanted to make it a true premium custom truck like it needs to be. Now in the headlights, if you saw the other black limited Thunder truck that we did, it has a very nice little subtle thing hanging out in the headlight. Let me show you that right now. Who's doing that? Who's doing that? We are, y'all. So the bolt is just a homage and tribute to the old school Lightning vehicles. We were going to actually put Thunder or Lightning in the headlight somewhere originally, but Austin had a great idea at High on Lumens to put the bolt in there, and that is a signature, phenomenal representation of what we're trying to achieve with this signature unique truck. So coming down the side, this side badge was like a gray color with chrome. We removed that in silver, a special Thunder lettering, F-150 Thunder tribute, and then did this body color. Your caps were also black, did those red to match. Outback, custom tail lights, we had to do it. A nice marine military grade paint around the border, keeping everything legal. Your illuminated portions are not blacked out at all, so everything is 100% legal, but it has that unique signature look. Also our third brake light to match. Did a black theme up there. We did our Ford emblem to match, black with the silver Ford script. And the stance of this truck is just so incredible. And as I hope you could tell in the drive-by that the performance and handling is just as good as the overall looks. Now on the inside, we had to do a custom leather to match, and we love the double tech stitch. This is actually salsa in color because the red cat skin is a little bit darker. It has a little more burgundy shade to it, but the salsa is just a perfect match on a custom interior. And this truck, we specifically ordered this vehicle. First of all, y'all, I had this on my mind for 10 years. I wanted a 4-door. Many people have tried to make renditions of the Lightning truck, but we wanted a 4-door, just bad. Just one that you just look at and say, that is one-off street truck, a true Lightning tribute. So we are so proud of this truck. It's been a long time coming, and so thankful that we have a great thing going here with Akins and Willies. This truck was ordered custom with blind spot monitor, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360 camera, twin panel moonroof, heated seats, the big 12-inch touchscreen, 302A package with your center console shifter, leather wrapped steering wheel, has the 2 kilowatt power onboard Outback. So this truck, not customized, is a diamond. So after we threw our tribute package on it, it's truly a one-of-one truck. You will not find this truck anywhere else, and we're so proud of it, y'all. A lot of you may be asking what's the price point. So here is our window sticker as well as our upfit information. Pause on this screen to see all the information on the vehicle. Stock number MKD 96593, and all the things we added on our Thunder Edition Lightning Tribute is found here. 84,305 is our price before discount. So what this means is this truck falls in that ballpark of a Platinum F150. So if you are a Platinum F150 buyer, you need to highly consider this truck in comparison. You're getting essentially all the same technology and convenience features with a one-of-one custom. It makes great sense on so many levels. Plus, it's just a beautiful, unbelievable truck. So we know this one's going to sell fast, and we are so thankful that you guys stay tuned to our channel, and we continue to drop diamonds left and right. And Campo's got something to tell you right now.
All right, guys, now let's check out some of the behind the scenes footage that we got for y'all on this particular build right here. Stuff that you guys normally don't get to see of what I do and all my fellow techs up in the shop get to do. Take a look at what we do behind the scenes. All right, guys, so that's going to do it on this F-150 Thunder Edition Lightning Tribute truck that we did here in Winder, Georgia, Akins Ford Wild Willies. Now, we want to hear from you guys. We want to know what you like. Go ahead and write down in the comments, do you like the red one? Do you like the black one? What about the 22s with the Nittos, or do you like the 24s with the Nittos? Do you like the Falcon tires? We want to know, we want to hear from you guys. We also want you to subscribe, like this video, share it around, show people what we're doing here. And if they're looking for a new truck, we want you to send them our way. So let's hear from you guys, and we'll see you next time.